Manage training programs with certification control. Skill development begins in training and survey, the strategic advancement of human capital. Training categories organize learning programs into structured tracks for efficient curriculum management. The name field identifies the specific skill category within the enterprise database. Centralized listing pages track defined training classifications to ensure transparent and efficient curriculum management. Training signatures establish formal accountability by linking authorized personnel to official document approvals. Digital signatures automate the official verification process for high-value employee completion certificates. Comprehensive listing pages for training signatures provide a central audit trail of all certifying personnel. Establishing an employee training record defines the targeted technical focus for a scheduled program. Category assignments ensure that technical programs align with predefined corporate competency standards. Skill and course facilitator fields pair internal expert knowledge with targeted professional requirements. The type of training selection determines the delivery format for physical or virtual environments. Skill set tags define specific technical competencies that participants master during the session. Training reach and duration set the operational scope and time frame for achieving milestones. Participant capacity limits maintain an optimal student-to-trainer ratio for high-impact learning. Minimum experience requirements confirm that participants possess the necessary foundational background for topics. Training location details provide the precise geographical coordinates for attending the scheduled session. Detailed training descriptions align employee expectations with the specific technical goals of the program. Enabling certification and feedback options automates post-training validation and continuous quality assessment. Custom broadcast messaging notifies eligible employees about upcoming learning opportunities and enrollment requirements. The trainer schedule organizes complex technical curricula into manageable sessions across corporate calendars. Session titles and internal trainer assignments establish clear responsibility for each instructional segment. Tracking training costs and session times ensures precise budget management and resource allocation. Training materials provide essential documentation to support participant learning and reference after completion. Selecting participants from the employee database maintains the strategic focus of the talent plan. Automated notifications ensure all stakeholders receive timely updates regarding their formal training status. Finalizing the record secures the development plan and enhances institutional knowledge across departments. Reviewing activity logs provides a clear audit trail of all training management interactions. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.